What's up, YouTube and all my crafters out there? Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to make a cheap, affordable, easy backdrop with a few dollars. All you will need is this tablecloth. You will need about, how many did I use? I bought five packs of this dollar tablecloth from Family Dollar. You might even find some for 50 cents. I found these at our store for $1. And the first thing you want to do, the other thing you will need is some string. Any type of string. I used some yarn that I had laying around the house. And you just want to take the string, tie it from here to the other end to hold this up. And as you can see, I started it already just because I didn't want to go through the long process of the video. So I'm on the last couple steps, so I'm going to go through it with you guys. So I'm going to take my tablecloth and I'm going to cut it. And this is a rectangle tablecloth. So the way you want to fold it so it don't cut in half. So you want to unravel the tablecloth, and it's in like a rectangle shape. You're going to leave it folded in half, and then you just want to take it and fold it about 3 times into a square, just so you don't have to, it's not so long. You can do it how you want to do it, but this is how I'm doing it. And I'm just going to take it. I have a Cricut, so I'm using the stuff from my Cricut machine. I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to slice straight down. And you get 4 pieces out of this, this one line or whatever. Open it up. There's 4 pieces, so you just take them apart. The next thing you're gonna want to do is take it. I put my arm in here, and I'm gonna pull the backdrop over some so you can see. Okay, so I just take it, step over this way, put my arm through it, and I pull it through the loop like that. And I don't have mine pulled all the way up yet because of course I'm short and I can't reach it. So then you take another one, same thing. Pull it through. Oh yeah, let me show you this part. So when you're leaving this piece short up here when you're doing it, because you're gonna cut that piece at the end. It's gonna make it kind of look curtain-like. So you're pulling it through. The short piece is still there, and you're gonna pull that piece in the front. And I'll show you why at the end when I get to that part. Okay, so now I'm going to take my curtain and I'm going to add it to the top bar of the backdrop. Okay. we're gonna take the curtain and put it in the back of it. And I'll show you in just a second. And of course, I'm gonna pull this part up once I'm done with it. Okay, so you see I got the curtain in the back of the backdrop. The next thing you wanna do is take your string, take a long piece of string and tie it from one end of the stand to the other. And you wanna tie it tight and you don't want it hanging, because what you're gonna do with this is the droopy part of this, you're gonna take some string and you're gonna connect it. You're gonna connect the string and so it won't hang. Just put some hot glue on it. Just to make sure it don't come loose. The next thing we'll do is take the yarn, the string, and we're going to attach it to this string, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to tie this string here. So I just went with this. Is we're gonna take the pieces, the short pieces that we have, and we're gonna cut them. We're gonna cut them all the same size. So that's that part. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna trim the bottom. backdrop. First, I'm gonna add some balloons to it. I'm not gonna put them on just yet though, because the party is like 2 weeks away. So that's what will go around the top. You won't be able to see the strings. Maybe I'll come back and show you once I put them up. But for the most part, there's your backdrop. And that is it for today. I'll see you on my next craft adventure.